all new working QR codes and demonic Mortis. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will be showing you Brawl Stars QR codes that is currently working with the latest version of Brawl Stars. So without further ado, let's jump straight into our tutorial or video right here. Now, the first QR code is going to be this Brawl Star logo right here. So you can just go ahead and scan this in order to go ahead and get this reward on your Brawl Stars account. Now for the second one, once again we have a free icon. It is going to be this M icon right here, which is really amazing if you want free stuff. And for the third one, once again we have a free icon. You can just go ahead and scan this and get this item as soon as you can. Now with the next one, we have a skull icon, which in my opinion is the best free QR code stuff that we can go ahead and get with Brawl Stars. And with the next one, we have this clown QR code, and from there we then have this cute pin that we can go ahead and use for our Brawl Stars. And lastly, we have the egg sleeping pin. So you can just go ahead and scan all of these QR codes right here, or you can just navigate through the official website, which is gamegrant.com Brawl Stars QR codes that is currently available as of the moment. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave us a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one, and as always, thank you.